With a handkerchief on our chest, uniforms a little too big, we crossed the school gate that morning, not knowing what it would mean. We never knew that single step would guide us all our lives, a quiet compass pointing forward through the years and time. Wooden desks and chalky air, sunlight through the window pane. That's where we learn what dreams are called and how to say your name.